Good morning, friends. This is Miss Whitney and Summer, and we are getting ready to make red, white, and blue fruit wraps. So we have all our ingredients here. We have a tortilla, and you can use a flour tortilla or a whole grain tortilla.
I'm so excited.
So excited. We're gonna add Greek yogurt, low-fat Greek yogurt, and it's just a little bit thicker and has a little more protein than your traditional yogurt. So you can smooth that all around, Summer.
A little bit more.
Maybe a little bit more, yeah. Good, that's enough. Yep, and smooth it all around. Okay, now put your spoon back in your bowl. Put your spoon back in your bowl. Good job. And now we're gonna take our fruit and add it on top of the yogurt. So we cut up strawberries and blueberries that we rinsed and dried. You could also use pineapple or raspberries, blackberries, whatever fruit you like, right, Summer?
Yeah.
Just sprinkle it all over. Good job. And then would you like to try rolling it up? We're gonna roll it up nice and tight like a taco. We got it all rolled up, and now Summer's gonna give it a try. It is a little bit messy. Give it a big bite. What do you think? Thumbs up?
Done.
It's good. So again, friends, that's an easy snack. It could even be part of your lunch choice. Those are red, white, and blue fruit wraps. And this recipe comes from the Michigan Fitness Foundation Healthy Party Snacks recipe book. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy. Wash your hands. Bye.